Srimad Swami Gahananandji Maharaj was the 14th president of the Ramakrishna order. He practiced all the four yogas in his life, but I would say he was a Karma Yogi par excellence, as I observed him. I had the great privilege of working under him. I was posted to the headquarters in 1987. I was transferred from Ranchi to Belur Math. And so, since uh, he was at the time Assistant General Secretary, at the same time, he was also looking after Seva Pratishthan Hospital, Ramakrishna Mission Seva Pratishthan Hospital. He was in doing double job, double work. And apart from that, so many departments were with him in Belur Math. So, since I was looking after estate department, sometimes I had to go for consultation. Once it so happened, a particular matter required some serious discussions. So when I went to him, he said, "You see, this matter requires long, serious discussion. So you come not during this morning, a melar madhye hobe na. It's a so many people are here. So you come when I am relatively free." I said, "Okay, whatever time you give me, I will come." He said, "Come at 12:30 midnight." My God, I was very hesitant. 12:30 midnight to disturb him. I was feeling very much shaky. Should I go or not? Anyway, when he has told, I must obey. So, with great hesitation, at 12:30 midnight, I went to his office. And to my surprise, I found there are few more monks in the queue at that time. They have been all told to come when he is at leisure, and that 12:30 is the leisure time for him. Because you know his routine at that time. Morning he will get up, maybe I do not know, he'll get up earlier than the Mangalarti and whatever, and then 8:30 he's already is in office and all that, and 12 o'clock he will take lunch, second batch, and immediately his car will be ready and go to Seva Pratishthan, and there solve all the problems of the hospital. Go around the hospital, these, that. Then evening he will go to the advocates, because he is looking after law department, which was law and estate were joined together at that time. Sometimes I had also to accompany him, so I would go with him in the car. From then he would tell me, "You go to the Mouse quarter, you finish your work in Calcutta, come in the evening, we will go together to the advocate's house." Evening, go to advocate's house, return at 9 o'clock or 9:30, 10. First he will go to Holy Mother's temple, offer his humble pranam, then come back to his room, take a bath, and then his food will be waiting. Then he will take very, very small quantity of food. He will take for 5-10 minutes. By 11, he is ready for his next innings of his office work. And it will go on till 1 or 2. Anyway, that day, so 12:30, I was also again in the queue. At 1:30 a.m., my turn came. Then we discussed for about an hour. But what I observed is that when I took leave of him at 2:30 a.m., he was as fresh as ever. Can you imagine? Whole day is worked. He has worked and worked and worked. And yet, in his face, there is not a single signal of having been tired. He is as fresh as ever and very cheerful. I understood this is Karma Yoga. Swami Vivekananda says, the calmer you are, the less disturbed your nerves, the better will your work be, and the better will your work be. The calmer we are, the less disturbed our nerves, the more shall we love, the better will our work be. Exactly, this is what I found. He is always cheerful. He never lost his temper. At the most, he showed his eye, which that means from his eyes we could understand that he was not happy with our work, displeasure. But he would never shout. He would never show anger. He will just show his displeasure by his sight, by a look. That's all, and that was enough, enough signal for us. So he would conserve his energy. He would not dissipate his energy in shouting or in telling so many words to others. And he used to speak very few words. He was a man of very few words, very little. Most of the time, he would be talking in signals only. That was another beauty. He would conserve his energy. So much energy. Why he could work so much? Because he used to conserve his energy. He would speak minimum. He would speak minimum. He would take the food minimum, and he would shout minimum or zero. Shouting I never heard. I never saw him shouting. So that was the secret of Karma Yoga that Swamiji has told, that I could see in Swami Gahanandaji Maharaj. How with so much of work, he used to keep calm, quiet, cheerful all the time till late at night. My humble pranams to revered Gahanandaji Maharaj. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.